Welcome back to Tophat Smoking Barbecue. What we're going to do here, well not today, but this is the evening before, we're going to roast some chickens and some ribs in the La Caja pig roasting box that we roasted our pig in a previous video. What we got, this is about a 6-7 pound chicken that we got from our local chicken farm, which fortunately we have a local chicken farm, but wherever you get a chicken from is fine. We're going to spatchcock it. Why spatchcocking it? Plus, we won't need this, popper. We're going to cut this bone out. So, take a sharp pair of scissors. And just start working your way up. Now, we'll cut this spine out of here. And what we're going to do is flatten this chicken out. Turn it around here. By spatchcocking it, lets you cook it quicker. Plus, it gets all the juices and all your rubs and your brine and everything that gets through it much better. Sharp pair of scissors or a sharp knife will work just fine. Or not. But when you do this, take a little knife here. That's what you get out of it. So, what we want to do is get this thing flat. So I'll take my meat cleaver here. I just hit right here. One time. Nice and flat. See that? Get all that stuff out of there. So what we're going to do now, like I said, this is the night before. We are going to brine this. We already have 2 chickens in our brine bag. We're going to brine it with what is Urban Accents. It's a turkey brine, but we're using chicken. It's got a bunch of different spices. You can brine it in anything you want. Salt, sugar. I just picked this up at the store. We're going to brine it overnight. And then tomorrow we'll show you what we'll do in the roaster. And we're going to do our ribs. We're just putting salt and pepper on the ribs, and so we don't need to show you how to do that. And if you need to see how we do ribs and a smoker, we have a rib video, so you can go look at that up. But we're going to try out this Urban Accents turkey brine and rub. It does come with a rub. We'll probably put that on tomorrow too. But that's a spatchcock chicken right there. We will roast it in the La Caja like that for an hour. We will flip it like that for an hour, and it should be done. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our brine bag right here. You got that, Jackson? And here's the brine, and we're going to pour that in. And I'm going to take these gloves off because they're nasty, full of chicken juice, which is why I wear the gloves. And we'll take this brine and we'll pour it in there nice and slow, hopefully. And we'll cover that up. And so you get the gist. So that's what we'll do. And we'll see you tomorrow when it's time to do the roasting. Here we are, next day after marinating our chicken all night long. Here's our ribs we were talking about. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on these chickens. This is how we're going to cook them, like this, spatchcocked up. Just going to get them a little bit of seasoning on there, a little bit of killer rub action on there too. A little barbecue flavor since we are Tophat barbecue and smoking. All right. Flip them over. Do the same thing on the other side. Season off. We are here today. We're also making deer jerky today, but if you want to know how to do that, see one of our previous videos on how to make deer jerky. And, I'll show you how to do that. Here in Meat Town, we're doing it all. So put a little bit more the barbecue rub from Killer Hogs. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our chickens, put them right here in the la caja. We're going to actually do it this way, belly side up for right now. We'll flip them in about an hour. Uh-oh, that one trying to fall apart on us, Jack. There's a chicken there. There's 2 chickens. Third chicken. Show you what we can do with this crazy machine we got here. Then we're gonna put 3 racks of ribs on that sucker. We're gonna go bone side up first. There's 1. There's 2. There's 2. And here comes the 3rd one. After we put this one in, we're going to get the charcoal on it. We'll come back and show you about how to do that. There you go. There's 3 whole chickens and 3 racks of ribs. We'll be back in a little bit to show you what we're going to do. Here we go. We got the food in the box. We got our charcoal rolling, as you can see. Perfect for a little camera action here. Take about 20 minutes to get these coals where we want them. We'll spread them out. After an hour, we'll flip our food, and then we'll start temping it with our gauges here. It should take about 2 hours. We'll show you when we do our the next step. So there you go. La caja pig roasted box with 2 chickens, 3 chickens, excuse me, and 3 racks of ribs. There it is. We'll see you in a couple. Okay, it's time to flip the food over. So our friend here, Mr. Jim, is going to help us out. So we're going to pick it up. Jim, bring it over this way. Oh yeah, we are looking good. We are looking good.
It's sizzling.
So we're going to take the food. Oh, the ribs are bendy. We're going to do this. Look at that. Oh yeah. I think it's going to be good, Jim.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. We're going to flip them over here. Oh man, that leg there is falling apart. What we're going to do now, we'll put that back on, and we are going to add another 8 pounds of charcoal, and we'll wait it. Oh, we're going to probe it. Excuse me. We got to probe it. Got to put some probes in this chicken here real quick. Uh-oh. Probes are all tied up. Put one in there. Put one in there. And we'll put one in there. All right. Okay. All right. Take it back around, Jim. Set her back on there. All right. We'll see you in about an hour. We'll check it out. We're back. It's been 2 hours. Well, it's been an hour since the last time we flipped them. The temperature says it's 175. So the chickens are done. So Jim and Scott are going to take the tops off. They're going to remove it here. Oh, yeah, they're looking pretty good here. Oh, looking pretty good. I think they're pretty good. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. So we're going to take the chicken, the ribs. Oh, they're pretty good too. All right, what we're going to do is take these chickens over here. I'm going to glaze them up here. We're going to leave I'm going to put some glaze on these ribs and put them back in. Let them sit for about 10 more minutes. Chickens are looking good. Oh, Lord, they smell wonderful. Okay, hold on, Jackson. We're going to use the same glaze for the chicken as the ribs. I didn't get too fancy with that. Oh my gosh, you can hear the crispiness of it. This is not the way to do it. You should have a brush, but I'm lazy and I'm going to go get one. It's a homemade Jim Beam sauce we made. Jim Beam, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of ketchup, tomato paste. We'll have it in the description at the end of the video. Make sure you stay tuned when we're all done because we got a special surprise for you, a little extra content. All right, guys. All right, We'll see you here in a little bit. Okay. Well, here we are. The end result. We pulled a bunch of it. We have a whole chicken here. You can see how much we pulled. It's fantastic. I mean, the flavors are outrageous. This is the way to go. Get yourself a La Caja roasting box. You can do anything in it. The ribs are insane great. We made a little sauce here. Awesome stuff. Highly recommend doing this. La Caja chicken roast and rib roast. Big time success. And remember, stay tuned till after this video to see the special content. See you next time.
And all.
Okay,
No.
guys.
Okay.
Recording.
You're on?
Yeah.
We're trying our second attempt. Hydro dipping deer skull and some enamel paint. Here we go. Did we get anything?
That definitely works.
All right, now we want to.
Gotta like shake it off.
Could I have that stick and I'll squirt that? What do we want to do? Let's try to brush
Just
the
like-
paint
yeah,
away
just-
a little bit. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, looking good.
Oh, except the top. We missed the top.
Oh,
That's okay, it's gray in there.
looks good.
You already got blue, white, and gray.
There it is.
That's wild looking.
Not bad for our second attempt.
Hydro dip.
Get you some.
Get yourself.